Okay, definitely go back and read the instructions before we do anything with this remote, because now I've touched the switch and I'm not sure if I positioned it back the way it was supposed to. It's got these batteries here, and I hope these ones are better charged than the other ones that I got with the AeroScout Minis, because those did not go so well. But let's see, look at this stuff here, guys. This is exciting, really exciting indeed. Let's see, without ruining anything, I guess this is probably the vertical stabilizer, but it looks like, wait, the vertical stabilizer should be attached to the bird already. It looks like maybe it's already attached to it, or this is an extra bit that goes on top. I don't know. Whoa, check out the size of the landing gear. Guys, this is the biggest.
Likey